Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Express. Today I come with this very viral and tricky math question. Many fail to solve this and try to solve by your own and comment your answer whatever it will be, right or wrong. I will give a shout out here. These are top commenters. Okay. You can be the part of this by commenting your answer. So we have here 60% divided by 20%. So we will solve like this. 60% divided by 20%. Percent cancel. 20 times 1, 23. Or you can say 3. So this is the right answer. So do you think this is the right answer? You can also solve like this. 60% is nothing but what? We can write 60% as 60 by 100 divided by 20%, which can be written as 20 by 100. Again, same, like this will be cancelled out and we will write 20 times 3. Again, same answer. So do you think 3 is the right answer? Many are saying like 3 is the right answer, but must check out question what it asks. Okay, 60% divided by 20% is equals to what percent? There is percent value, and here we are getting 3 as number value. Okay, this is not in percentage, right? Am I right? Okay, now when we calculate in percentage, to make it a percent like 3, this is the whole number, not fraction. So we can simply, to make this percent, we will simply multiply with 100. Okay, or we can say 300%. So do you think I'm wrong? So I will make it clear here. This is nothing but what? 3 by 1. Okay, this is 3 by 1. So as we know, if you write 1 by 2, that means there are 2 parts and this show half. Okay, this one shows this half. When we make this pizza, you can say this is called 1 by 4. Why 1 by 4? Because all the parts are number of 4s and this one is only one part. Similarly, what this one is saying, this is actually, there are whole part is 1 and this is 3 times. Is what? There are 3 parts of that. See the whole part. We can say 3 times. So if 1 time, which equals to 100%, 2 times can be written as 200%. Similarly, 3 times can be written as 300%. So here right answer is 300%. Okay, and if you're senior, this is the right answer, and if you're senior, then must check out my best product link in the description. Like this video and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.